Bree, coming to you from the cocktail lounge. I want to share with you today, I have another video about the perfect holiday punch. So what I wanted to do is make some cocktails from that holiday punch so that you can see that it is really multi-layered, it's multi-dimensional, it goes with just about any alcohol. But come with me on this journey so we can make these cocktails. Let me know what you think about them. Let's get into these cocktails, honey. So we set up a bar in that first video. I'm not gonna recap it, just go check it out and you'll understand what I'm talking about. But I want to recreate the punch so that we could do some mocktails and cocktails from it. So I'm just gonna set it up again and then we'll go from there. Okay, so the recipe is also on that video, but I am gonna leave some of the fruit out, some of the lime and the orange out for garnishment. So just a quick tip, because for one of my gatherings of 4 people, I had some left over, and I just want to let you know, do not leave the oranges and the limes and all in the juice overnight. You know, strain it, take it out. You can even freeze it and put it back in the next day, but if you keep it in there, it will continue to marinate and you will have some nasty stuff the next day. So I have my cranberries here, and I did show how to make some candied cranberries. So I have those on top. I'm gonna put those on the side, and I'll have that in my Instagram story on how to make them candied cranberries. So let's put that in there. I have some lemons at the bottom. I don't want those in there. Okay, so we have our oranges, our limes, our cranberries. I didn't want to put a lot in there because I'm just doing this for this video. So I made this ahead of time. Gonna pour that in. Isn't this just gorgeous? It's festive. It's already cold because we had it in the refrigerator. We also had all of our fruits in the refrigerator. So we are just good to go. Okay, so we've set up our bar. We have our juice here. You can do recipe cards if you like. This recipe is just so multi-layered that you can do so much with it. So the first thing we're gonna do is a mocktail. Now I have stirred this, so it's good to go. And let's do our mocktail. So we're gonna just fill it up almost to the top. We're gonna put a twist of lime in here. You can do lemon or lime, it's your choice. So just a twist of lime. Then we're gonna top this off with some sparkling water. Guess that's ready to come out. Top it off. I'm gonna put some cranberries in there. All I need is 2, but of course you can put more in there. And There you have it, your mocktail. That's delicious. This is just a simple mocktail with a twist of lime. But if we drink this down a little bit, it becomes a cocktail. I can just add some rum to that, fill it back up. That's even better. Okay, so we've made 2 drinks already. We're just getting started. That's delicious. Okay, next we're going to move on to the holiday martini. Now this is why for your bar you need to go ahead and put a shaker on there. So let's put our ice in here. Need a little bit more than usual because it's crushed ice. I think I'm gonna do this a little differently. I think I want a rimmed glass. So I'm gonna rim this glass. So here I have some cinnamon, some cloves, and some sugar. So I'm just gonna take that round a little bit. Just a little bit. So I want to do 1 ounce. I'll do 2 ounces. And then 2 ounces of vodka. Shake and then strain. And you can garnish with the cranberry. And there you have it, your vodka martini. Now this definitely says holiday to me because you have the cinnamon, sugar, and the cloves around on the rim. I did not put a lot, and I may want to do it with agave the next time, but you have your cinnamon, your cloves, your sugar around on the side. We have cinnamon on the inside of that. We have cranberries in here. We have oranges in here. That's perfect. That is perfect. Okay, so let's move on to the holiday margarita. Let's do this margarita. I am excited for this one. And of course, the margarita is a bit more complex than the rest of them. So let's go. We are on drink number 4, I think. Okay, so I'm gonna rim the glass because we are gonna do a salted rim with this. I'm only gonna do half of it. If I do the whole thing, I'll feel obliged to make my way around the rim of this glass, and I don't need to. So We have our shaker here. I'm just gonna use the same ice. It's only me. There's no cross-contamination here. Okay, so we're gonna start with, it's supposed to be 2 ounces of tequila, but you know I pour heavy. Actually, let me get some more ice in there. Actually, I think I'm gonna use this one. It looks prettier. All right, so we have our ice in here. So let's start with what's supposed to be 2 ounces of tequila. That's a lot. Okay, 1.5 ounce of triple sec. Just to let you know, it is a lot, but it looks like that because it was full of ice. So we're gonna do 4 ounces of punch. Might need to take that up a little bit. And I'm gonna squeeze a couple of limes in there. And there's really no shaking to this. It is combined already. Put those 2 limes in there. This might be a little heavy-handed. But it's the holidays, right? All right, so I made a lot. So let's taste this bad boy out. Do I want to put some cranberries in there? Lord, I'll just use a cinnamon stick. How about that? Guys, oh my, this just puts a totally different spin on this punch. You have that salt with the limes, with the cranberries, with the apples, with the cinnamon. Yes, this right here, I think this might be my favorite. And I said, oh my God, that's it right there. That's it. Okay. That is delicious. I didn't expect to have that much flavor coming through on that. I like that. This is delicious. It's 5 drinks, you all. 5. One is a mocktail, but I mean, if you look, I have 2 different types of sparkling water here. Ginger beer, ginger ale. You could just do so much with this recipe. So I just wanted to come on and show you all how many things you can do, because I know you didn't believe me. I know you didn't. I know you was like, she crazy. We can't do all that. Yes, you can. I just showed you. So tell me your favorite holiday recipe in the comments down below. I will have all the recipes linked. But if you have another twist on this particular recipe or this particular holiday punch, please share, because the holidays are just starting. I know we're in the house because we're in a pandemic, but we can at least have some fun with this. So I'm looking forward to your suggestions and some of the things that you say you know, that we can do. You know I'm gonna try it because I love to taste and to try different. We have shared 5 recipes, and I'm hoping that you will try these recipes out. I enjoy making them. I'm hoping that you enjoy trying them out. Comment down below. Let me know if you tried it out. Let me know if you tried a variation. What did you like most about this punch? Look at this wonderful array of cocktails that you can make with just this one punch. So we have our mocktail, we have our martini, we have our margarita, we have our spritzer. This punch is just really multi-layered. So please check it out. Please let me know how you liked it. Please tag a friend and let them know that Bree is here. Thank you for watching, guys. I always appreciate you watching. And I will see you in the next video.